to our channel. Okay, today just received this in the post. Literally ordered it yesterday, so excuse me, I'm coming out of illness at the moment, on antibiotics, so excuse me if I'm a bit bunged up. Okay, so this is the Mavic 3. Basically, I'm replacing my Phantom 4 Pro Plus with this, as my Phantom 4 Pro Plus is broken. Literally, the gimbal doesn't work anymore. Okay, I'll give you some advice as well, the advice I took. So I bought the basic Mavic 3. Do not buy the combo unless you got a lot of money. I didn't see what the advantage of buying the rucksack and the ND filters for more than, I'd say you'd probably have to add another £300 if you were to buy 2 batteries and a multi-charger separately. So that's what I did. Bought this and ordered the batteries and the multi-charger separately. So I didn't have to pay that extra money for the case and ND filters, especially the ones I don't want. Okay, so here we go. So that's the drone. Two sets of propellers. Got the remote. A couple of bits and pieces. We'll open these in a second. And the instructions. Okay, got props. Let's quickly open this. It's the closest thing to me. Okay, so that's the remote. Comes out like that. And this is where you plug in the cables. It's a bit fiddly. Or is it the cables themselves? There you go, that's the cable there. And that's for an iPhone or an iPad. Okay, so the best thing here is the drone itself. Okay, so let's put this out of the way. Here we go. Okay, so that little strap, it's magnetic and it just comes off. And you just pull that off, and there you have it. Okay, dual lens. From all the reviews I've seen, basically the zoom is pretty much useless. I'm not sure why they've even put that on there. I think it's a gimmick, personally. Okay, so my zoom looks a bit wonky as well. I don't know if that's been dropped or if it's supposed to be like that, or if it's just a light. Okay, and then we have the battery compartment. Got no power. USB-C. And the SD card slot there. Then we've got the sensors at the back. Sensors at the front. All the bottom sensors. Okay, the front sensors. And as you can see, the gimbal. What I've also got is, I bought a tablet holder, and it looks like it's the same for the Mavic Air. Okay, so that's the tablet holder. We've got some cables here. Okay, micro SD, USB-C. That looks like the charger, the USB-C charger for the actual drone itself. That's for the controller, the joystick. Then we've got this, and this should be the charger. There we go. A UK plug with USB. And if I'm not mistaken, that will just plug in into this port here. Okay, so I'm going to close this up a little bit. As you can see, I don't have a lot of space. And there you have it. The new Mavic 3 unboxed. That's pretty much everything it comes with.